Yeah, just helping around. Look out, make it look beautiful, beautiful.
He's acting goofy again, y'all. He's acting goofy again. We are live for our Thursday short.
Hey, everybody.
And you know, we get a lot of questions about financial advisors. So today we are going to give you the dish, right? We're going to give you the dish. We're going to talk about the pros and cons of hiring a financial advisor, the things you need to watch out for, and you'll want to stick around to the end so you know. We will give you a clue, but we'll tell you at the end
who our financial
advisor is. All right. We'll tell you at the end. So you want to stick around. Right?
Yes.
All right, y'all.
Definitely.
My name's Halisi.
And I'm Rick. Welcome to our Black Utopia.
On our channel, we talk about money, we talk about travel and retiring abroad as we build generational wealth. We help folks who look like us, who are close to retirement age and forgot to plan, get their money straight so that they can retire on time or maybe even early. All right. So for those of you who do not know, about 7.5, 8 years ago, Rick and I got a wake-up call. We were getting close to retirement age. We looked at our money and it looked crazy. But about 4 years ago, we got our financial act together and we went from negative 22,000 to over 1.1 million to date in net worth. And yeah, if we can do it, y'all can do it. Seriously.
Yeah.
Seriously. All right. So we're going to get started. We're going to start with the pros of hiring a financial advisor. So number one is expertise and knowledge. All financial advisors are not the same. So you'll want to make sure if someone is coming to you wanting to be your financial advisor that they are certified, right? Anybody can call themselves a financial advisor, but you want to get a certified financial advisor and they should bring expertise and knowledge to the table, telling you about investment options, tax implications, et cetera, et cetera. All right. So the first thing that they bring to the table is expertise and knowledge. Number two
is customized financial plans. So they should be able to help you figure out where you're comfortable in investing and how to invest, and showing you the different type of investments are out there to help you do it.
All right. Understand your risk tolerance
and everything like that. But like she just said, all financial planners are not the same.
No, they're not. Emotional distance. And for Black folks, this could be important. So financial advisors will provide you an objective viewpoint and will choose investments and things like that based upon objectives, right? An objective approach, not emotion. What we see so often is when the stock market goes down, Black folks tend to sell all their stock.
We panic.
They sell all their stock, and then they sell at a loss, and then when the market's going back up, they buy, then they buy, losing even more money. All right. So, and that's emotional, right? And so a financial advisor can stop you from doing that kind of stuff.
Yeah. Yeah. The next one is portfolio diversification.
So
it's always important because you always hear, we grew up with the hearing of don't put all your eggs in one basket.
Right.
That goes for investing. You never want to put all your eggs in one basket. You want to spread it out. And financial advisors should help you do that.
Right.
Figure out where you need to put your money in, what things are safe for you to put your money in. There's always going to be a risk. Right. I mean, come on.
Well, yeah, it's investing. So there's no guarantees, but they'll help you, have a balanced portfolio. Right. So, it'll mitigate some of the way ups and way downs, right?
Yep. Yeah, definitely. Volatility in the stock market ain't no joke, y'all. But we get past it.
Yeah. The last thing is they save you time, right? Like if you're really busy, if you're raising a family and doing this and that, and maybe, you don't want to take the time to be able to create your own balanced and diversified portfolio, this will free up your time to hang out with your family, to advance your career, to go back to school, to do other things. So, managing finances can be very time consuming. And so a financial advisor can ease some of that burden.
Now, those are the pros.
Those are the pros. Expertise and knowledge, customized financial plan, emotional distance, portfolio diversification, and they save you time.
Now we go to the cons. Okay, the cons are financial advisors cost you money. Okay, they charge fees for their services, which can include hourly rates. So you have to really pay attention to who you're talking to and what their billing is like. You know,
What their billings, right? They can be charging commissions, right? They could even get a percentage of your total portfolio,
ouch,
right?
that can be costly.
Yeah, it will eat into your investments. It will eat into your investments and reduce your overall wealth. So the other thing about that, right, is conflict of interest. Now, what we do know is that sometimes financial advisors will gear you towards the investments and the mutual funds that give them the biggest
Higher
commission.
fees, yeah, yeah, they
Costs
do that.
you more money and gives them a bigger commission.
Mhm.
So cost, conflict of interest. Number 3.
Lack of guarantees. There's no guarantee in investing, y'all. You know, despite expertise and experience, financial advisors cannot guarantee an investment. They just can't.
They can't guarantee a return on investment, but you still have to pay them.
Mm-hmm.
If they lose you money, you still have to pay them.
Yeah.
Number 4, dependency. Relying too heavily on a financial advisor could hinder your financial education process, your financial literacy, and confidence in managing your own finances. And so that's,
Just because you hire somebody to help you, a financial advisor or whatever, still you want to be in charge of your finances. It's your money.
Yeah. Yeah. So number 5.
Number 5 is miscommunication or misunderstanding. So you want to definitely always communicate with your financial advisor. Make sure he understands what you are looking for in investments and how you want to go about investing that stuff. So you have to constantly talk to each other and keep in communication, because if there is miscommunication and he invests in something you're not really wanting to invest in, it could be costly.
Yeah, you're going to always pay the price for miscommunication. That's the bottom line. You're going to pay the price. I mean, you might fire him, then he'd pay the price, but you paid the price already.
You've already
right?
paid the price.
So number 6 is no one cares about your money more than you care about your money.
And if they do, you in trouble.
Something wrong. Something wrong, right? So what we've got following are 10 things your financial advisor should never say to you. So if someone is pitching you to be their financial advisor and they say one of these things, run in the opposite direction. Number 1.
Trust me, this investment is going to make you rich.
Guarantee.
Guarantee. Run.
No one can promise that, ever. No one can ever promise that. That's a surefire way to get into some trouble. Number 2, I know a secret way to beat the market consistently.
I got the inside thing.
Statistics show that financial advisors never beat the market. Never.
No.
And then their costs eat into that. So if someone is promising that they will beat the market, most mutual funds don't even beat the market. Index funds don't beat the market. They mimic the market. So our portfolio beats the market. 25% return to date. Yep.
We got a good financial advisor.
We got a hell of a financial advisor. All right. So trust me, this investment is guaranteed.
Guaranteed.
Run. If they say, I know a secret way to beat the market consistently. No, they don't. They're lying. Run. Number 3.
You don't need to worry about your investments. Just leave it to me.
You don't need to worry about understanding them.
Oh,
Trust me.
Trust me.
Run. Look, I appreciate so much when my test results came back and my doctor explained it to me. Your financial advisor should be explaining it to you.
He should be educating you.
Or she. Run if they say you should invest all of your money in.
A sure thing.
Does that sound like diversification to you? Unless it's a total stock market index fund. Then it's automatically diversified. But still, right? The next one.
I'll handle all your taxes. You ain't got nothing to worry about.
If they do the wrong thing, the IRS is not going to come after them.
They are not forgiving.
They will come after you. You are the one who is going to sign off on it. And so, yeah, you need to understand what the tax implications are and make sure that they're doing.
Yes.
Yes. Oh, how about this? I'll take care of everything. You don't need to read the fine print. Okay, what's in there that I need to see? Okay, now I'm going to read every single word of the fine print.
Fine print is real fine too.
I'll get out my magnifying glass. Whatever I need to do.
Ain't no joke, y'all.
No joke. No joke. All right, next one.
You know what? Go on. Borrow you some money, get you a loan so you can invest more money.
In this one thing that I guarantee will make you rich.
It's gonna make you rich. Don't worry about it. Just borrow some money from whoever, wherever. Don't do that, y'all.
Don't do that.
Don't do that.
Ignore your gut feeling. Trust my advice.
Go with your gut. If it don't feel right, don't do it.
No, if he says that, just fire her. Him.
I mean, but go with your gut too, because if something doesn't feel right to you, why would you do something that just does not feel right?
The first thing that wouldn't feel right for me is somebody saying that nonsense to me.
Right.
So my gut would say,
but somebody might take that, they might hang on for another minute and say,
well, so-and-so recommended them. So-and-so may not know. The next one is crazy.
Oh my God. Well, you're not wealthy enough to be in need of a financial plan.
¿En serio?
Wealthy enough.
So that means if you're just going from your house to an office building downtown, you don't need the directions because it's close. What? That's the stupidest nonsense I've ever heard. Those without a plan to fail. If you don't have a plan for your money, it will disappear. Period. Believe me when I tell you, we saw lots of it just trickle through our fingers because we did not give our money, every single dollar earned, a job. All right. The last one.
Who our financial is?
No.
Oh, I'll manage your money off the books so you can save on taxes.
Follow the rules.
You think so?
And if they're certified and saying that, they could lose their certification for saying some nonsense like that. I wouldn't be doing nothing off the books unless this was a personal friend of mine, right? Like this is my best friend growing up and they happen to be a financial advisor who says, like, baby, I'll just do it for you. That would be different.
But I'm still going to ask questions.
I'm still going to ask questions, but I could understand them giving it to me gratis, right? But other than that, no. Yeah. So now we get to the end. We're keeping it short and sweet, y'all. Who is our financial advisor? Y'all know who our financial advisor is? If you know it, put it in the chat. We see y'all. We're going to let you wait a minute.
Yeah, we'll let you stew for a minute.
You want to tell them?
No, I'll let you
give them the name. You're looking at our financial advisors. We are the financial advisors, and we have a 25% return on our investment portfolio. Anybody who says that they can consistently beat the market is nonsense. The average person does not need a financial advisor. They just don't. They need to know as much as they can on how to manage their own finances.
They need the education.
And if you are starting late in this save for your retirement game, as most of the folks who are watching us have, some of you got your stuff together and don't even know it. Some of you got your stuff together and do know it. But the majority of us are like, oh, yeah, I shouldn't have probably bought them Teslas, right? 6 years ago. So if you are like us, you need to know everything you need to know about your money, how it works, and how to make more of it passively without you trading your time for money. Secondly, you can't afford to be paying somebody else for this if you start late.
No.
Not if you want to retire as soon as possible. And that money, like, it can really eat into
To your
your investments. And financial advisors are not going to, by and large, are not going to be suggesting total stock market index funds or a S&P 500 index fund or some other low cost product that is 100% diversified as soon as you buy, right? Like it's a bucket of stock, right? And of different stocks. And so, because it doesn't make them any money. So they're always going to push you towards the things that make them money. And that is that is one of the main problems, especially when you're starting later and every single dollar counts. So,
and we do have a thing that we do with some of our members.
yes, we do. Yeah. So if you need more information, then you need to join Beyond the Bling Money Mindset Makeover for Financial Independence. We're updating it now, and today's price is not tomorrow's price. So when it comes back, when the new version comes out, anyone who's already in it will already get the update and have access to that indefinitely. Well, as long as we're around anyway. I'm not going to say lifetime because I don't know what that looks like, but indefinitely. We also do monthly group coaching. We have started studying Take Stock, the book Take Stock, and we have started a study group, investment study group. And so if you want to be a part of all of that, the information is in the description below. If you just want to book a call with us one-on-one to help you come up with a financial plan, the information is in the description below. Those who have met with us, they can let you know that we will not end the call until we have a plan for you, until you have a plan that you are satisfied with and you've got a way forward. And with that, we're going to let you go. We love y'all, and we'll see you on Sunday, where we will be talking about how you can make unlimited money. Unlimited money. We've got 6 steps to a successful side hustle.
There you go.
See you then.
See ya.